touring an architectural modern mansion in Marbella, the hills. Ready to hit the road to Marbella? This mansion tour is going to be wild. Imagine walking into a modern architectural mansion in the hills, Marbella. A sprawling estate priced around 7 to 8 million euros, roughly 7.5 to 8.5 million dollars, sitting on a plot of about 1,700 square meters with luxurious comforts that even dream homes envy. Curious what this place really looks like inside and out? Hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's explore together. You arrive at the entrance, sleek, minimalist driveway flowing naturally toward a staircase of stone and glass. The exterior architecture gives away at once that this isn't a traditional Andalusian villa. Instead of rustic tiles and ornate balconies, here the design is crisp, modern, clean horizontal lines, large glass walls that reflect sunlight and surroundings, and subtle integration of natural materials. The house feels grounded yet contemporary. A kind of modern calm that whispers luxury. Stepping through the front door, you find yourself in a grand foyer whose ceiling stretches impressively high. The air is cool, and the light diffuses gently through the glass facade. Spacious hallways branch off to different wings. The living room, kitchen, bedrooms, and leisure areas. Each flowing seamlessly thanks to open-plan design, making the entire interior feel much larger than its 1,700 square meters might imply. The living room is something else. Huge floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides, letting in soft Mediterranean light, while polished concrete floors and minimalist decor give the space a chic, contemporary feel. A large modular couch invites lounging. A modern fireplace, more like a design statement, sits opposite. There's a smooth transition from this living room into a dining area and beyond to a sleek open kitchen. That kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, stainless steel, matte finishes, ample storage, and a central island that doubles as a breakfast bar. The vibe, minimal and sophisticated, but warm enough to feel like home. From the kitchen and dining area, sliding glass doors open onto a covered terrace. Stepping outside, you enter one of the most magical parts of the mansion, the outdoor living. The terrace overlooks a private pool, a zero-edge or infinity-style pool with shimmering water reflecting palm trees and sky. Comfortable lounge chairs, scattered potted plants, and sunbeds surround the pool. Beyond that, there's a landscaped garden with subtle Mediterranean touches. Olive trees, perhaps bougainvillea climbing a wall, low hedges that frame the pool area, and smooth stone paths that invite barefoot strolls at sunset. The terrace also hosts a barbecue and outdoor dining area, perfect for late dinners with friends under the stars, or slow breakfasts with soft morning sunlight. Glass railings keep the view feeling open, giving glimpses of the surrounding hillside, or maybe even a distant glimpse of the Mediterranean. The outdoor layout blurs the boundary between inside and outside, a hallmark of modern luxury living on the Costa del Sol. Heading upstairs or via a private elevator, you find the bedroom wing. The master suite is spacious, a large bedroom area with panoramic windows and a private terrace where you could sip morning coffee, watching light dance on garden leaves or pool water. The ensuite bathroom is luxurious, marble or stone finishes, a deep soaking tub, or maybe a rainfall shower, double vanities, warm ambient lighting, a spa-like feeling that makes everyday routines feel indulgent. A walk-in closet or dressing room gives ample storage, making the suite function almost like a luxury hotel room. Guest bedrooms follow similar design philosophies. Clean lines, large windows, soft neutral color palettes, plenty of storage, but each with its own character. Some open onto terraces or small balconies. Some face the garden or pool. All feel airy and calm, a restful retreat rather than a traditional room. Downstairs or in a dedicated lower floor and basement area, this mansion likely includes a wellness and entertainment zone. Think gym with full glass walls overlooking landscaped outdoors, maybe a home cinema room or media lounge for movie nights, perhaps even a wine cellar and tasting room. This part of the home is designed for comfort and indulgence, a place to unwind, entertain close friends, or host a relaxed spa-style evening after a day on the beach or exploring Marbella. But beyond bricks and glass, there's something about this mansion that feels like more than just a house. It's a lifestyle, a statement. The design bridges indoors and outdoors, man-made and natural. Behind the modern lines, there's the potential for laughter echoing from dinner parties on the terrace, sun-drenched afternoons by the pool, quiet mornings with coffee on a balcony, and soft nights lying under Mediterranean stars. Historically, the real estate market in Marbella, especially in areas like the hills or other high-end zones, has attracted buyers worldwide because of its climate, scenic beauty, and luxurious lifestyle. Villas and modern architecture homes in Marbella are often built to incorporate the adventurous Mediterranean spirit. Open-plan living, lots of natural light, outdoor spaces for Mediterranean evenings, and thoughtful landscaping. Mansions like this one, with about 1,700 square meters plot, are on the smaller side compared to ultra mansions, but strike a balance between exclusivity, manageability, and elegance. More modest luxury villas in Marbella can have built sizes from approximately 450 square meters on 1,000 square meter plots in gated communities, while larger estates go much beyond. What makes a property like this especially appealing is its modern design coupled with Mediterranean charm, using glass, stone, open spaces, but still respecting the lifestyle and climate of Marbella. The outdoor spaces, terraces, and pools, all crafted for socializing, relaxation, and connection with nature. Interiors built to flow smoothly, with light, comfort, and luxury at their center. Walking through such a home, you feel that every detail, from the polished floors to the alignment of the windows, was carefully planned. It's a blank canvas for lifestyle. Maybe you add soft rugs and indoor plants to warm up the modern lines, or minimalist furniture to keep it sleek. Maybe a subtle Mediterranean color palette outside to complement the natural surroundings. If you imagine living here, you see sunrises with coffee on a terrace, lazy afternoons by the pool, maybe a summer dinner party under soft lights with soft music, laughter, wine, and warm air. It's not just a home, it's a retreat, a sanctuary, a mood. Beyond personal comfort, such a home in Marbella represents a smart real estate investment. Marbella's market for modern villas remains popular among international buyers and investors who value privacy, luxury, and a Mediterranean lifestyle. Of course, living in a modern mansion like this comes with responsibilities. Maintenance costs, security, privacy, these are all factors. But for the right person, the trade-off is worth it. An everyday life that feels like a perpetual Mediterranean getaway, combined with high-end luxury. So whether you're loving the polished minimalist interior with open-plan living, the soft glow of Mediterranean sunset from your terrace, or the sound of water from the pool at night, this mansion in the hills, Marbella offers a lifestyle many dream about. Imagine you're the host. You invite friends over. They arrive by car up the sleek driveway, step through glass doors into clean-lined spaces, pour drinks by the pool, laughter echoing under soft lights, gentle breeze carrying warmth from the garden, quiet bedrooms for guests, spa-like bathrooms, and a cinema lounge downstairs where you all unwind. It feels modern, yet timeless, private, yet inviting, luxurious, yet peaceful. If there's one thing that stands out to me, it's how this home balances luxury and simplicity. There's no over-the-top opulence, no gaudy extravagance. Instead, there's sophistication, minimal, thoughtful, centered on comfort and calm. In a place like Marbella, where sea, sun, and hills meet, that balance feels right. This is more than a mansion, it's a lifestyle statement. Would you want to wake up every morning here, walk to the terrace, sip coffee with sea breeze, and hear birds chirp? Would you imagine living a Mediterranean life with that modern architectural calm? If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite part of this mansion? The pool and terrace, the modern interior design, the master suite? I'd love to hear which spot you'd chill at if you lived here.